How to give access to Google Forms. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can give access to Google Forms to any of your colleagues or any other person. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the Google form and then you gotta head over to this option that is a person icon over here. So just click on that icon and you'll be able to see something like this. So here you gotta type down the email of the person that you wish to give an access to. For example, I'm typing in this email, and once you type in the email, you gotta press enter. And once you press enter, you'll be able to see the email appear in a bubble. And here you can select whether you want them to be a responder or you want them to be editor. For example, I want them to be editor. You can even write them a message that, for example, I'm writing this message to my friend that, hey, I want you to be an editor to this form. So I'm just going to type that down over here. And once I type that down, hey, I want you to become an editor for this sheet or form, whatever. And then I'm going to click on send. So once you click on send, an email will be sent to the person of, inviting them to have an access to this form. So that was basically how you can give an access to Google form. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.